Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and today I bring you the brand new flagship smartphone from Xiaomi. It's the Xiaomi 8, it's the international version, meaning you can use it anywhere in the world you are, and it's a truly remarkable piece of kit. Let's have a look at it. Once you open the box, it's a small hard cardboard black box. You have an envelope. Don't worry, this one is in Chinese because, well, that's where we're located. But inside this envelope, there's a free there's a lot of stuff actually. Let me just take it all, but I can see immediately there's a free protective case right here, transparent, so that's pretty cool. There's the adapter, the 3.5mm to Type-C USB adapter, meaning the smartphone, the Xiaomi 8, does not have a 3.5mm jack port. Also inside, the metal pick here to open the SIM card slot. By the way, it's a dual SIM smartphone, but it does not support SD cards, micro SD cards. So the storage that you get is the storage that you have, unless of course you use cloud systems for storage, which are many available. Also some documentation here from Xiaomi, you know, the standard warranty, some basic startup manual. So that's what you get inside the box in this concern. Then finally the smartphone is here. Actually, I just put it upside down. There you go. I'm going to remove it and show you the design because it looks really good. Let me see. Here we go. Very nice looking. This version, it's like the rose kind of metally glossy version, but there's other colors as well. So there you have it. But still, on the unboxing, inside USB cable right here, Type-C USB to charge your phone and transfer files, of course. And finally, the power brick with a USB port so you can charge, connect to your wall socket and all that. You know, I'm sure you know how that works. So that's it for the unboxing. Now, the smartphone itself, flagship from Xiaomi, 6.21-inch Full HD display, AMOLED display from Samsung, by the way. There's a notch there on top, unlike some other smartphones from Xiaomi. But you know, that's the trend. With the selfie camera right there on top, in the notch, it's a 20-megapixel camera. Also, it has infrared facial recognition technology and 3D also facial recognition technology, meaning the phone can actually detect your face even in very dark environments. So that's a pretty neat technology included right here. And going to the back, we have a dual camera, very good camera, the new cameras from Xiaomi. It's 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel, flash LED light, fingerprint scanner here, very elegant with a gold rim around it, and the overall shiny design here in the back. Really, you know, it really feels like a flagship smartphone. About the device itself, the OS, the operative system, it's Android 8, but it's the MIUI, it's the MIUI 9 from Xiaomi, but it's based on Android 8 anyway, and they promise to have updates in the future, and they do regularly, so that's very neat. Also, 6 GB of RAM, 64 gigs of storage for this model in particular, and a 3400 milliamp battery. Also the CPU, again, flagship territory here from Qualcomm. It's the Snapdragon 845. That's an Octa core clocking in at 2.8 GHz for the most powerful cores in this CPU. Finally, a very remarkable feature from the Xiaomi 8 or Xiaomi Mi 8. This is the first smartphone in the world with dual frequency GPS, and you know, there's a lot of technicalities behind that term, but what it basically means, it probably has the most advanced and precise GPS system in a smartphone available right now. So especially if you're like in urban environments, if you're in the city, it really pinpoints your location very precisely to right to that spot where you are. If you are like in a little corner of a street or something, it will never go wrong. So that's very, very cool, and it's something we definitely use today and we need for many apps. So anyway, this is the flagship from Xiaomi, the Mi 8, brand new, very cool, very nice price. Of course, it's a Xiaomi, and Xiaomi, they're very good at that, at their marketing and their pricing. So check the links below for all the details. There's more specs, there's more to know about it, there's a lot to learn about it. Like and subscribe, and check gearbest.com. We have all the best Xiaomi devices you might want. Thank you for watching.